Hi, I'm Carly. I'm a national makeup artist with Bobbi Brown, and I'm going to show you how to do an easy holiday party look. Something that can be built from an everyday look into a little bit more dramatic, festive, and fun, but still appropriate for an office party. So now that I have my base on, I'm going to show you how to do a really nice festive holiday eye using this gorgeous new holiday palette, Modern Symphony. Starting with this shade here called Cream and an eyeshadow brush, I'm going to build a base on my eyes that I can blend the colors into. So I'm just gonna go all over. And I really wanna pack in the color here because I wanna have a nice base to blend more shades. I'm gonna go all the way across the lid and all the way up to the brow bone. So still using the same eyeshadow brush, I'm gonna go into this shade called Rose Suede, and I'm gonna build a little bit of definition on the outer third of my eye and on the inner third. I'm gonna place the color towards the lash line to start. And then with what's left on my brush, I'm gonna sweep it up to blend into the crease. I'm also gonna take the color left on my brush and sweep in my lower lash line too. This gives nice soft definition that still leaves my lid space clear so that I can add a little bit of shine for the holidays. So the outer third, starting at the lash line in the outer corner and in the inner corner as well. And then I'm gonna go in my lower lash line just to help complete the look. I don't need a lot of product here, just what's left on the brush. I always like to step back and make sure that when my eyes open, I can see the color in the crease beyond my lashes. So I'm just gonna blend to make sure that I've got that little bit of definition. Next, I'm gonna pick up this shade called Champagne Truffle, and it's a little bit of a metallic shade. So the best thing to do is pick it up with a finger, and I'm gonna place it right in the center. And because I've left the center clean, with the definition on both sides, it's really gonna let that shimmer pop. Now this is a really simple, beautiful, easy everyday eye, and if I wanted to just finish this off for a day look, I could take this beautiful color here called Modern Symphony. It's a nice deep rich plum with an eye definer brush that has a perfect little edge, and just give a little bit of definition in the lash line at a little bit of an angle to give a little bit of lift to the eye. And from there, I could add some mascara, and this would be a really easy everyday eye. But what I'm gonna do instead is add a little bit more drama and show you how I can build this into something that's a little bit more festive, a little bit more fun for a holiday party. So I'm gonna take this Earth Metal shade, which is a little bit deeper, and I'm gonna pick up a brush called an eye smudge. It's kind of shaped like a bullet. And with the eye smudge in that Earth Metal, I'm gonna go and intensify those outer thirds to give more shape to the eye. So I'm gonna place it just here and here, and then blend it out. And then again, with what's left on the brush, I'm gonna go underneath my lash line. I also like to blend a little bit with a finger, just to make sure that there's no hard edges. And while you've still got that little bit of shine left in the center, we're gonna go in with a color called Pink Bubbly, a really nice, bright, sparkly, festive shade, again with the finger, and put that right in the center so it really pops. I love this kind of look because it's really fun with the sparkle, it's super festive, and it's got drama, but it's not too heavy, so it's really work appropriate. And now what I'll do is finish it with defining the lashes and some mascara. So I'm gonna go with this definer brush that I used earlier in that same Modern Symphony shade. I'm gonna take this and press it right into my lash line. When I use this shade in my lash line, I also wanna make sure to give just a little bit of lift to that outer corner to help give a nice shape to the eye. And then using a black ink gel liner and an ultrafine eyeliner brush, I'm gonna tight line to really amplify my lashes. So I like to pick up a good amount so that it goes on really smoothly. And I'm just gonna go right underneath my lashes to fill in the space between for a really thick looking lash line. This is a really nice way to get a beautiful defined lash line without giving up any of that nice bright sparkle on the lid. Now that I've got that really nice defined lash line, I can really play up the lashes with smoky eye mascara. So I'm gonna take my mascara wand and make sure I get right to the roots of my lashes, give it a little bit of wiggle, and then twirl it as I pull the mascara through the lashes. And what's left on the wand, I'll bring into the lower lashes too. I really like this look because it's sort of smoky and pretty, but it still has that festive, light, bright fun to it. So now that I've built up this beautiful, easy day look into something a little bit more dramatic and festive and ready for this work party, I'm gonna add a little bit of brightness and color to my cheek and finish my lip. So to start, I'll use Foiled Petal. It's our new highlighter, and a precision blending brush. With this nice fan shape, I can pick up the highlighter and just place it exactly where I want, right here, to give a nice bit of lift and shine. And then to add a pop of color to my cheeks, I like to use a Pot Rouge, and pale pink's a perfect color for me. Adds a nice flush. So Pot Rouge I'll pick up with my fingers and just lightly, while I smile, dab it onto the apples of my cheek. This is the perfect kind of color to just look like you've got that nice flush, nice healthy look to the cheek. And then with the same brush, I can just blend it out. And now that I want all the attention and drama on the eyes, I'm just gonna finish the lips with something that's really easy. I'm gonna use our beautiful Luxe Shine in Bare Truth. The Luxe Shine is a perfect formula because it feels hydrating and it delivers lasting hydration throughout the day. And this color is a great complement to a really dramatic, playful eye. I really like to press the color into my lip to make sure that that pigment really stays and looks and feels really natural on the lip too. Just to finish off and give a bit of a cleaner shape, I'm gonna take my Pale Mauve lip pencil. It's easy enough to take you from daytime to your party. It's festive and it's got a great little pop of sparkle. I hope you enjoyed watching. Thank you.